Hey team, this is Leo. This Nerd University video is specifically for account managers and the billing team. We really need to get the membership cleaned up. I think it's part of our process to remove these past members and clean it up and keep the list of active members current inside of the system so that we know that we're working for active members. Let's look at this because we have 1,400 some odd contacts in here. You know, a lot of them, there are vendors in here and there are people that are not necessarily members. Let's identify them though, so that we make sure we know who's in the system. Let's get rid of, let's just clean this up. So prospects, you know, it's okay to have prospects, but they should be in a funnel to convert them to a member as quickly as possible. Past members, we need to have it in our process just to go ahead and remove them whenever they decide to leave. So as you can look down through here, you can see we have hundreds and hundreds of members that used to be members, and they decided to leave for whatever reason. So let's get those people cleaned up in the system, get them out of the system as quickly as possible. And the on-demand members, there's no such thing as a real on-demand member, so we need to just remove these people because we don't do work for on-demand anymore. We only work with active members. So let's get the database cleaned up to where it is just active members, and that's all we're really talking to and talking about as we go forward. So you could even query this like if, well, you probably need to verify are they active or not. That's why I'm saying that billing, the accounting department, Lou and Scott needs to work with Miklos to make this happen so that we get this cleaned up so that we are focusing and working for the members that are paying us each month to take care of them. All right, let me know if you need any help with this. I just went to contacts and then looking at it in this list view and modified the property so that I could see everything. Thanks.